All right, 6430. Put injectors in it a few days ago and started coding up for fuel temperature, out of range or just not reading. I got the codes pulled up, but I'd have to look at them. Going through the troubleshooting, it was just basically checking the circuit and checking the readings on the service advisor, and I decided to just check the actual fuel temperature. So I shot the fuel lines coming in and out of the cooler and found everything was running perfect, right where it should be. So I went back down here to the temperature sender, and this is what I found. I don't know if you can see it. I see that rub spot in that wire right there. I've got the connector pulled out here where I can get to it. But that rub spot right there in that wire is rubbing on one of those hard fuel lines back there, causing intermittent low voltage to that sensor, causing it to freak out and think that the fuel temperature was getting extremely hot. It's not. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that connector apart, run me some heat shrink over the top of that wire, put it back together, and should be good to go. Check back after it's done. All right, so the bad wire, turns out it was rubbed almost completely in two. So I had to go ahead and cut it and put in a splice, and then put in a piece of shrink tube, heat shrink over the top of that. But now she's purring like a kitten and no codes. All good in the hood. Running like a top, new injectors. Yep, fixed is fixed.